Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, March the 22nd, 2011. Well, a bearish day today, and we had a candle that has a red body. The red body denotes that the sellers have made net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. The market's opened up towards the high and closed down towards the low, which tells us that the bears have closed in control. Now, certainly quite a different candle than the previous day's trading, where we had a very, very large bullish candle. And importantly, though, this candle has failed to take out the high of the previous candle and failed to take out the resistance around 1300 and the top of the cloud. So that's quite significant for this market. This 1300 round number is very important for this market if the market is going to appreciate. Now, having said that, however, we haven't had a change of trend to the downside. So even though we had this bearish candle today, it certainly didn't match the bullishness that we had on the previous day. So that could be important for this market. Some technical analysts like to use the halfway level of the body of the candle, previous candle, as a benchmark for whether there will be follow-through to the downside in this case. But certainly the bearish sentiment in this market today certainly is nowhere near the bullish sentiment yesterday. Now, the market also is a Japanese candlestick reversal pattern. It's a potential harami pattern, and that's where the body of the current candle is engulfed by the body of the previous candle following an uptrend and previous bullish candle and then a bearish candle today. So the market is set up for a potential change of trend to the downside. So we do need confirmation of that change of trend. So that makes the low of this current candle, which is at 1292, 1293, very important for a potential lower high and lower low. Now, if the market does trend down, the market could find support anywhere through the cloud all the way down to probably roughly 1260 or so. That would be the bottom of the cloud. We have some other areas on the way down there. The Tenkan-sen is an area where the market might find support, which is trading at 1282, and then this area at 1265, which was an important area of support and resistance previously. Once again, as we said, to the upside though, the 1300 level is very important, and then the top of the cloud, which now extends up to about 1304, so that's important. Now, with the market trading within the cloud, we still have a market that has an overall neutral bias in big picture terms, so that's quite important. The market has failed to give us a bullish close outside of the top of the cloud, so no bullishness there. By the same token, no bearishness because we aren't trading down below the cloud. We are trading up above the Tenkan-sen, which is the green line, and that means that the market is still bullish in the medium-term time frame, but most of that bullishness was built up in yesterday's trading, and that hasn't been matched to the downside today. So that could be significant for the bulls. We have closed just below the Kijun-sen, and that tells us that the market is bearish in the medium-term time frame, but it's trading very close to the Kijun-sen. So really, we should be saying that we have a neutral market in the medium-term time frame as well. So what we've really got is a market that's trying to make its mind up. We had quite a bit of bearishness in the medium-term time frame and fast-term time frame, trying to recover in the short-term time frame, as evidenced by trading up above the Tenkan-sen and closing up above there for 2 days now, where previously we had about a week and a half of trading down below there, and trading around the Kijun-sen, which means the market's neutral medium term, and trading in the cloud neutral in the long-term time frame. So a market that's really trying to make its mind up. If we do see a decent bullish close up above the cloud, then we could see the market appreciate. We've got some resistance on the way. Certainly 1313 was a previous area, and then extending up to about 1330, and then up to the swing highs around 1345, 1446. So tomorrow's trading, obviously we should watch the 1300 round number level, but certainly watch the candle, the low of the current candle, for a potential change of trend due to the bearish harami pattern that may be confirmed tomorrow with a lower high and a lower low.